Alright, here we go. Gonna try and land the twin motor upside down. This is a horrible idea. There's a lot of wind, and that'll allow me to be slower inverted, because technically I have a higher airspeed but lower ground speed. This plane's got so much juice it can just do this. Right into the air. Alright, here I go. Upside down. Well, that's the lowest I've ever flown inverted in general. It's pretty much full pitch down, which in this orientation is pretty much full pitch up, and I'm just working with the throttle pretty much. Woo! I landed upside down. Oh, a broken propeller. But yeah, I guess that makes sense because, you know, there's not a lot of airplane to protect the propeller from the ground when you're upside down. Oh, and the battery hatch came open. I hope that wasn't open when I was flying. I did not see that. Well, actually, other than the broken propeller and the little bit of damage on the rudders, I guess you can land a plane upside down. Well, everybody, I guess you can land planes upside down now. Sometimes when you're flying RC, you gotta let loose and kind of do things with your airplane that you've never done before. And I landed my plane upside down, and the only thing that broke was a propeller. That's pretty incredible, and that's a pretty easy fix too. This plane is nearing the end of its lifespan. It's been through a lot. I'm probably gonna build another plane similar to it because I really like the way it flew, and so you'll probably be seeing another twin motor, and hopefully I'll be doing something with rockets soon, but we'll find out, I guess. And if you enjoyed this landing and flying upside down video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me if you want to see more and what other ideas you have. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.